Let's take an example of RFM analysis, recency, frequency, and monetary analysis using Excel. A retailer is planning to email a catalog to its customers, listing all the details of the upcoming products or new arrivals in their retail outlet. But, here retailer is cautious, wants to email only to those customers who had responded to their earlier promotional email. Retailer has the data of their customer's last response of its promotional campaign. 1 indicates that the customer has responded to its earlier email and 0 who have not responded or seen the email. The retailer wants to send the email to the most relevant customer. Identify the combination of RFM ranks to determine for emailing the catalog. This retailer has a raw data of 151 transactions done by its customers for the period of 1st October 2024 to 15th October 2024. Analyze the data to find total transactions, number of customers, start date, and most recent date of purchases by their customers. Also, calculate frequency of purchases, recent purchases, average purchases, and then rank it accordingly, as per your logic. Customers are numbered, starting with 1, using max formula, it gives the highest value. So 20 customers. Lowest value in the date column will be the start date, use min function, and highest value, the recent date. Now, find how many transactions are done by each customer, use COUNTIF function. Move the cursor to right bottom of H9 cell until you notice plus mark. Now double-click on the plus mark. Relevant data is now populated in the respective cells of H column. Now, let us find the latest transaction done by each customer. Time period is 15 days, or approximate 2 weeks. Use maxif function. Move the cursor to right bottom of I9 cell until you notice plus mark. Now double-click on the plus mark. Relevant data is now populated in the respective cells of I column. For calculating the start date, use min function, instead of max function. Now, let us calculate the frequency in weeks, you need to subtract every customer's start date from most recent date, and divide it by number of days of week, that is, 7, if you don't divide by 7 then, the frequency is in days. The value 12, here is in days, divided by 7 to convert to week. Now, let us calculate the average value purchase of every customer. Logic is to add the amount purchased of all the customers with reference to their individual transaction and then divide by frequency. Now, let us calculate the purchase frequency of every customer. It's the total transaction divided by frequency, in weeks. Now, let us calculate the ranks of recent purchase denoted by R, frequency denoted by F and monetary denoted by M, in ascending order, that is, higher values get higher rank. The highest rank observed here is 16 and lowest is 1. Let's summarize all these rankings between 1 and 4, that is, refer the rank table. Any rank which is close to highest, that is, 16 should be ranked as 1, any individual rank between 11 and 15 is ranked as 2, between 6 and 10 is ranked as 3 and less than 5 is ranked 4. Use VLOOKUP formula to calculate the summarized ranks. You can have your own logic. Logic used in this case is, if the response rate is 50% or more, then catalog will be emailed to those customers who have this particular combination of ranks, which is more than 0.49.